If your iPhone always goes to speaker mode whenever you dial a number, then let us see how to fix the issue. For that one, you have to go to this settings option here. Go to this option accessibility. Now you have to go to this option touch. Scroll down, and if you see there is an option called audio routing, open it. And right now if you see call audio routing is selected to speaker, so what you have to do is you have to select this option automatic, and auto answer calls also you can disable it. Now once you do it, whenever you dial a number next time, the iPhone will not go to speaker mode automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.